Do you ever imagine a life free from financial worries? A life where you pursue your passions without the constraints of a regular 9-to-5? This is where the magic of passive income steps in. It's the art of earning without constantly working. To dive into this, we turn to the expertise of Robert Kiyosaki. Recognized for his best-selling book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Kiyosaki is a celebrated American businessman, investor, and writer. He's been a guiding light, teaching countless individuals globally about wealth creation and passive income generation for years. In today's video, we'll uncover Kiyosaki's recent thoughts and his top 6 investment strategies for boosting your income in 2023. The wealthy have a secret. They let their money work for them. This concept, known as passive income or cash flow, is money that seamlessly moves, minimizing tax implications. It might seem unfair, and yes, it's not entirely just, but the real injustice lies in our educational systems, which often don't address this. Before we dive into the 6 main cash flow avenues, it's vital to grasp the essence of passive income. It's the income you earn without constant effort, allowing you to profit even as you rest, travel, or enjoy quality time with loved ones. The beauty of passive earning is its power to amass wealth and grant you financial independence. Kiyosaki believes that passive income is the golden ticket to wealth and freedom. In his recent publication, The Capitalist Code, Kiyosaki underscores the need to diversify income sources rather than solely depending on a job. He also stresses the value of pouring money into assets that generate consistent cash flow, as opposed to those that merely appreciate in value. Now let's delve into the top 6 avenues for generating passive income. Asset number 1, real estate. Beginning our exploration into Kiyosaki's promising assets for 2023, let's delve deeper into real estate. Real estate isn't merely about owning land or property. It's a strategic venture that, when approached correctly, can serve as a dual-purpose asset, offering both a steady stream of income and an avenue for substantial wealth accumulation. The allure of real estate lies in its tangibility. Unlike many other investment avenues, real estate provides a concrete, physical asset. This tangibility not only offers a sense of security, but also allows investors the opportunity to directly influence the asset's value through improvements and enhancements. Broadening your horizons within real estate is essential. While residential properties might be the most familiar, there's significant potential in commercial spaces, rental properties, and even real estate investment trusts, or REITs. A golden rule to remember in real estate is the age-old adage, location, location, location. Strategically chosen properties in burgeoning areas or those poised for future growth can yield impressive returns over time. A topic that's often met with apprehension when discussing real estate is the idea of leveraging debt. However, when understood and utilized judiciously, debt can be an investor's ally. It's about harnessing the power of other people's money to amplify your investment potential. By understanding the dynamics of debt, interest rates, and leveraging, one can significantly boost the real estate portfolio's value. But of course, the world of real estate might seem vast and intimidating, especially for those who might not have a substantial amount to invest up front. This is where REITs come into play. These specialized trusts or companies offer a more accessible entry point into the real estate market. By pooling resources from multiple investors, REITs invest in a diverse range of properties, allowing individual investors to benefit from real estate's lucrative nature without the need for direct ownership or management. Think of it as enjoying the fruits of real estate without having to plant the tree yourself. When you gaze into the mirror, consider who's staring back. The real risk lies within you, not the investment. While often invest in real estate, some say real estate seems risky, maybe I should opt for ETFs instead. Choosing the safer route might seem wise, but diving into real estate can offer more profound learning experiences. Asset highlight: dividend-paying stocks. One of the most promising avenues for consistent cash flow is dividend-paying stocks. When you venture into this investment realm, you're essentially buying a stake in a company. In return for your investment, these companies reward shareholders by distributing a part of their earnings in the form of dividends. The beauty of such stocks is that they can offer a dual benefit. Not only do they have the potential for capital appreciation, but they also provide periodic income through these dividends. This means you can enjoy a steady inflow of funds without having to part with your stock holdings. Kiyosaki, a seasoned investor, places significant emphasis on the strategic selection of these stocks. It's not just about any dividend-paying stock. It's about those that have a track record of consistent and ideally increasing dividend payouts. Coupled with a solid financial foundation, such stocks can be the bedrock of a resilient investment portfolio. The stock market, with its vast array of companies and sectors, offers immense opportunities for wealth creation. but it's essential to approach it with diligence and research. Investing in stocks shouldn't be a game of chance. It should be a calculated decision based on a company's performance, growth prospects, and financial health. Kiyosaki's own experience serves as a testament to this. He once shared an instance where he invested in a company that not only showed promise but also delivered with a staggering 20% annual return. In conclusion, while the stock market comes with its set of risks, the rewards can be substantial for those willing to put in the effort. By focusing on high-quality companies known for their dividend payouts and overall stability, investors can tap into a powerful source of passive income and long-term growth. It's all about making informed choices and staying committed to continuous learning and analysis. Asset 3. Business ventures. When structured right, a business can become a fountain of passive income. The core principle of a passive income business is to establish a model that doesn't require the owner's constant oversight. Essentially, it's about crafting a business that's scalable and can churn out revenue even in the owner's absence. Examples of such ventures include digital products like ebooks, online courses, and other virtual goods. The beauty of these products is their repeatability. Once developed, they can be sold over and over, ensuring a consistent revenue stream. What if you're not inclined to start a business from scratch or lack the necessary resources? There's an alternative. Become a passive investor in someone else's venture. By investing in businesses, you can reap financial benefits without diving deep into the operational aspects. Kiyosaki's journey serves as an inspiring example. He's not just an investor, but a seasoned entrepreneur. His business journey began modestly, selling wallets as a young boy. Over the decades, he's established a range of successful ventures, each contributing to his passive income pool. His story underscores that building a passive income business isn't an overnight feat. It demands dedication and perseverance. In essence, by setting up or investing in a well-structured, scalable, and automated business, you can secure a passive income stream, granting you the freedom to allocate your time elsewhere. And hey, if you're finding value in this video, a thumbs up would be fantastic. Your support means a lot. Asset 6. Peer-to-peer lending. As we explore innovative investment avenues, peer-to-peer lending, commonly known as P2P lending, emerges as a standout. This modern financial model is reshaping the lending landscape by offering a platform where borrowers and investors can connect directly, bypassing traditional banking systems. At its core, P2P lending is a digital marketplace. Here, investors can lend money to individuals or small businesses that might find it challenging to secure loans from mainstream banks. The motivation for investors? A steady flow of income through interest payments. It's a win-win. Borrowers get the funds they need, and investors enjoy a passive income stream. But what's fueling the rise of P2P lending? 1. Democratization of lending. P2P platforms have democratized access to capital. They cater to a segment of borrowers who, for various reasons, might be overlooked by traditional banks. This inclusivity has made P2P lending a beacon of hope for many. 2. Flexibility and choice. Investors aren't restricted to funding a single loan. They can diversify, spreading their investments across multiple loans. This strategy not only maximizes potential returns, but also spreads risk. Number 3. Enhanced returns. The digital nature of P2P platforms means reduced operational overhead. With fewer intermediaries and lower costs, investors often find their returns outpacing those from traditional investment avenues. Number 4. Social impact. Beyond financial returns, P2P lending has a societal dimension. Investors indirectly support individuals or businesses that might be underserved by the conventional banking system, fostering community growth and entrepreneurship. Platforms like Lending Club exemplify the transformative power of P2P lending. With a staggering $60 billion in loans and over $14 billion returned to investors, it's a testament to the model's viability and success. For investors, it's not just about diversifying their portfolio. It's also about tapping into a higher return potential. For borrowers, P2P platforms often offer more favorable terms, lower interest rates, and a streamlined application process compared to traditional banks. However, it's essential to approach P2P lending with an informed perspective. While the potential rewards are enticing, there are inherent risks. As with any investment, due diligence, research, and a clear understanding of the platform's terms are crucial before committing funds. Number 6. Annuities. Planning for retirement and cash flow can be a mix of excitement and anxiety. One of the biggest concerns many face is the fear of their savings running out. Enter annuities, a financial tool designed to provide a consistent income during those golden years. Let's delve deeper into the world of annuities and how they can be a cornerstone of a robust retirement plan. What's an annuity? Think of an annuity as a long-term agreement between you and an insurance company. You pay them a lump sum or a series of payments, and in return, they commit to giving you a regular income. This income can start immediately or be deferred to a later date, like when you retire. It's akin to buying yourself a series of future paychecks. The challenges with annuities. Number 1. Battling inflation. One of the hurdles with some annuities is that the fixed income they provide might not rise with inflation. So as the years go by, the same amount of money might not stretch as far as it used to. Number 2. Understanding the terms. Annuities can come with various terms and conditions. Some might have fees that can eat into your returns, and pulling your money out early might come with penalties. Different flavors of annuities. Immediate annuities. Ideal for those who want an income right away. You invest a sum and the payouts begin almost immediately. Deferred annuities. These are for the planners. You invest now but the payouts start later, often aligning with retirement milestones. Variable annuities. For those who like a bit of risk, your payouts can vary based on the performance of certain investments, offering potential for higher returns, but with added volatility. Why consider annuities? Imagine you've been diligent about saving for retirement, but you're wary of market fluctuations. An annuity can act as a financial cushion, ensuring a steady flow of income regardless of market conditions. It's a way to bring predictability to your retirement finances. Incorporating passive income sources like annuities can significantly enhance your retirement strategy. They offer a way to ensure a steady flow of funds during a phase of life when financial stability is paramount. However, as with all investment decisions, it's crucial to be informed. Research, seek advice from financial professionals, and weigh the pros and cons. With careful planning and a clear understanding of your financial goals, you can pave the way for a retirement that's both enjoyable and financially secure. With the right approach, anyone can set up a reliable passive income that ensures financial stability for the future. It's crucial to educate yourself, seek advice from financial experts, and weigh the pros and cons of each investment opportunity. With dedication, smart planning, and a well-thought-out strategy, you can establish a consistent income that lets you live your dream life free from financial stress. We'd love to hear which option caught your eye. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.